Hey, Edwin, how are you?
Hey, how you doing, Cam?
All right, so that's it right there?
Yep.
That is the culprit. What am I looking at?
This is a transite asbestos panel.
Transite asbestos panel. Seen a lot of those in your day?
So many of these.
They're everywhere,
Yeah,
right?
everywhere.
May I? So sort of an oversized panel, painted on one side, the other side is all the way through, and you can kind of see it's sort of a cementatious material right there, although not what we use today.
Right, yeah.
So this is all over the house.
That's correct.
Tell me the process. What do you guys got to do to get it off?
Well, the process, first we're going to set everything up that we're going to cover the ground.
Yep.
So nothing gets cross-contaminated with the soil. And then we start taking one by one.
What is the danger?
This is cause of cancer. That's why, all these fibers, because they use this so many years for, the reason is because it's very resistant to the heat.
Yeah.
And this is very good material back in the days, but now
Not so much.
it's not too much. They're not using it anymore.
So, I mean, this house is covered in these tiles, and the homeowner's been out here for decades, having barbecues, being outside. No problem with it on the house?
No, because they never disturb the asbestos. If you don't disturb, it's okay.
It's okay.
But if you start breaking it, that becomes hazardous.
And that's what's going to happen when you guys
That's correct.
take it down.
But in this case, when we do the removal, we use a lot of water to keep the dust down.
So just water?
Water with amended water, that's something like a special solution to keep the fibers down.
Special solution, okay.
Yeah. And then we, as soon as we start taking it, we double bag it.
Double bag.
Yep, and place in the container.
So after they're done working, the material goes into the dumpster?
Yeah, that's correct, yeah.
What do your workers do?
They take one suit off, they go through a dirty room.
What happens in the dirty room?
In the dirty room, they take all the clothes off. And then they take a shower, and then they put a new clothes in the clean room.
Shower number 2, get dressed in number 3. So you've got a lot of protocols here between, containment, disposal, protection of your workers. Could a homeowner do this?
They can do it, but it's not safe for them because they're not training to do those kind of jobs.
So legally they could do it, but they still have to do all of this
That's
protocol.
correct. They got to leave to the professionals to handle that kind of situation.
Sounds like a good suggestion to me. All right, well, I appreciate it. Thank you for helping us out.
Thank you.